Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is very important, especially for non-US residents, international entrepreneurs, freelancers, and online business owners. The topic is how to open a US bank account as a non-resident without an SSN, updated for 2026. Many people believe that you must be a US citizen or have an SSN to open a US bank account, but that's not completely true. In this video, I'll explain, is it really possible or not? What documents you need, online and offline options, real limitations and risks, and the best legal methods in 2026. So make sure you watch till the end. United States, can a non-resident open a US bank account? Let's be very clear. Yes, a non-resident can open a US bank account without an SSN, but not in every situation and not with every bank. US banks follow strict rules like KYC, know your customer, AML, anti-money laundering laws. So banks don't care about your nationality. They care about identity, source of funds, and legal status. What you cannot do, important. Before I tell you what works, let me tell you what does not work. You cannot open a personal US bank account online as a tourist. Use fake addresses or documents. Buy ready-made bank accounts. This is illegal and risky. If someone promises US bank account in 24 hours without documents, that is 100% scam. Option 1. Open a US bank account by visiting the USA. This is the most traditional and reliable method. How it works. If you visit the USA legally, tourist visa, business visa, etc., some US banks allow non-residents to open an account without SSN. Documents usually required: passport, valid US visa, proof of address, home country or US. ITIN, optional but helpful. Minimum deposit varies by bank. Banks that may allow this, case by case. Bank of America, Chase, Wells Fargo, Citibank. Important. Approval depends on branch manager. Rules change frequently. Not guaranteed. Option 2. Open a US bank account using ITIN. If you don't have an SSN, the best alternative is an ITIN. What is an ITIN? ITIN stands for Individual Taxpayer Identification Number. It is issued by the IRS for tax purposes. Why ITIN helps? Many banks accept ITIN instead of SSN. It shows tax compliance. Increases approval chances. You can apply for ITIN through IRS Form W-7 or via certified agents. ITIN is not a visa, not work permission, only for tax. Option 3. Open a US bank account through a US LLC. This is the most popular and practical method in 2026. Who is this for? Freelancers, e-commerce sellers, Amazon/Shopify sellers, digital marketers, SaaS founders. Steps. Register a US LLC, usually Wyoming or Delaware. Get an EIN from IRS. No SSN needed. Open a business bank account. Banking options: Mercury, Relay, Wise Business, Brex, eligibility based. These platforms allow remote account opening. Documents required: passport, LLC documents, EIN, business details. Note: this is a business account, not personal. Option 4. Digital banking alternatives. If traditional banks don't work, fintech platforms are a legal alternative. Examples: Wise, Payoneer, Revolut, limited availability. Pros: no SSN required. Online setup: USD account details. Cons: not a traditional US bank. Limited services. May freeze account if misused. These are best for international payments, not long-term banking. Common mistakes to avoid. Please avoid these mistakes: using fake US addresses, lying about residency, using personal account for business, ignoring tax obligations, trusting agents without contracts. Always remember, compliance is more important than speed. Final recommendation. If you ask me honestly, for personal use, visit USA plus ITIN. For business, US LLC plus online business bank. For freelancers, Wise or Payoneer, temporary. There is no single solution for everyone. I hope this video cleared all confusion about opening a US bank account as a non-resident without SSN in 2026. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment your country below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.